Hello, people. How are you doing today? I want to talk about a new application and how you can use it in order to improve your English. The name of the application is Lingua. If I pronounce it correctly, let's see what type of program or platform this is. Welcome to Lingua. Okay. Still waiting. The whole life is like that. We need to just wait all the time. Confident, customize. Okay, next. Forget about that. Let's see
What is your name?
What? My name is Maysam.
We'll help you learn English. What is your native language?
The native language could be Farsi.
What is your current English level?
Let's say A1.
What is your main challenge in English?
Based on your desire, you can select from the list. Oh, yeah, sometimes I can't find the words. I'm shy or nervous, let's say. Continue.
Why do you want to learn English?
Again, you need to choose from to travel
How soon do you want to see real change?
in 1 month.
How much time can you study each day?
5 minutes, let's say. It needs to be like 20 minutes generally, minimum, But again, let's see.
من اما هستم. معلم هوش مصنوعی زبان انگلیسی.
What?
درس امروز ما Where are you from است که به فارسی می شود اهل کجا هستید؟ بیایید با هم یاد بگیریم. آیا آماده است تا به این درس بپردازیم؟ اگر سوالی دارید خوشحال می شوم که پاسخ دهم.
Okay, let me speak with this AI. Hello, can you hear me?
بله، صدای شما به خوبی رسید. اما بگذارید درس را شروع کنیم. یادگیری همیشه جذاب است.
Interesting. Okay, go ahead and teach me something.
ای کاش آماده بودید. اما به هر حال بیایید شروع کنیم. یادگیری همیشه جذاب است. اکنون زمان مثال
My country is famous for its delicious food.
کار عالی انجام دادید. شما کلمه صحیح کانتری را به درستی گفتید. بیایید به کلمات دیگر ادامه دهیم. بیایید به بررسی واژه نشنالیتی بپردازیم. نشنالیتی به معنای تعلق یک فرد به یک کشور خاص است. مثال My nationality is Canadian, but I live in Japan. ملیت من کانادایی است، اما در ژاپن زندگی می کنم. تکرار کن بعد از من. What is your nationality?
What is your nationality?
عالی بودید. شما کلمه درستی را گفتید.
Okay,
Citizen.
hold on a second. The program, the application is quite all right. You can use it if you are very, very beginner. And based on your mother language, you can understand, you can read and understand and basically hear and listen to what this AI is trying to say. And you can grasp the information in your native language, which is totally cool, I would say. And based on your level, try to choose it so that it can be very, very efficient and effective for you. I believe, this method can take you to some specific level, and based on that, you can improve, you can go forward. Why not? Today is the age of AI, technology, bots, robots, everything. So if we don't want to go or get behind, okay, what should we do? We need to follow, we need to just accept this fact that the world is being controlled by robots and AI, and everything is related to that. So we need to be literate in this day and age. Otherwise, we cannot survive. We cannot go forward. It is really a very, very big and important fact. So to speak. All right. It was lovely. Okay, leave your comments below the video and let me know what your ideas or what your thoughts are. So until next review, take care of yourselves and be happy. Bye bye.